Alright guys, this is my Sheng Xiao white version of the Speed Cube, and I tell you, this thing turns good out the box. I just got it yesterday and I probably solved it total about 10 times, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a solve. It may take a while because I'm not that good. I just got it, you guys. And shout out to my boy Kevin. He wanted me to do an unboxing, but I was like, nah, I don't have much storage and I am recording off my phone. So just mixing this up. Okay. Now you gotta solve the white cross. Well, really star. So there's my star. Then we got, I do FTO for the pairs because it just seems easier. So I see one right here, and it's just gonna then I see like that. Oh, that one's already in there. So I'll move these. So the red and blue pair, just bring that down here. Now that one's in. Now find another white edge. There's this. Gotta find the red and green edge. It's right here. The last one, you gotta find the purple and green. It's already right there. So we can just, nope, can't do that because then we'll break this. So we can bring it over here. And now we have the pair and put it, and then, oops, sorry. Then we have that first two layers supposedly. Now we have to get every little cross right there. So we're looking for red, green, and pink. It's right here, and make sure light green because there is a dark green, and it's right here. We have that. It's right here. Oh, that's the wrong piece. And sorry about that. This camera's just it sucks. So back to here. We gotta find the red, blue, and pink.